The Scrubmaster B120R is a versatile and agile industrial cleaning solution that stands out from the crowd. Large areas are a simple task because the operator is comfortable, the machine has a large tank capacity, and the battery delivers a long working time. Features such as the plate brush system and protruding scrub deck allow you to achieve a precision clean across all areas. Having good maneuverability is crucial in any industrial environment, and the B120R's innovative steering system delivers exactly that. Staying on top of maintenance is also important, and with clear and easy access to all the key components, delays and downtime will be a thing of the past. You may need to plan additional deep clean measures for your site. The optional disinfectant spray bar ensures that your route is comprehensively treated, as well as being clean and tidy. Speak to us today to discover more about the industrial cleaning solutions available to purchase or hire from Briggs Equipment.